Hello everyone, you are welcome to this video. This is the part 4 of this program, Igbo Amaka, the spoken Igbo. In the last video, which is in part 3, we started discussing the Igbo alphabets, and we stopped at H in that video. Now look at the letter I. Like I said, it is pronounced E, as in words like imi, which is nose, isi, which is head, then isi, which is 6, isi, 6. Then this one is pronounced a. Remember I said this one is e. Now a, as in words like asere, that is gossip. Nkita, that is dog. Nkiti, that is silence. Gere. You can notice that all the words that are pronounced with this alphabet are sounding a. There is no one that sounded e like this. There is no one that sounded like this, e. No. All of the words sounded a. As if you want to pronounce irresponsible. Then you have gere, that is slim, as in someone that is slim. Now coming to the letter J, it is pronounced J, as in words like ojo. You can see the J there at the center. Ojo, that is fear. Ejule, that is snail, ejula. Then we have words like njem, and that is journey. Njem, journey. Ije, which is also journey. Then Ijeoma, journey mercy. Ijeoma, journey mercy. And also Je Nkeoma also means journey mercy or farewell. Je Nkeoma, journey mercy. The letter K, it is also pronounced K, as in English language, as in Ike, which means strength or power. Ike, strength or power. So we also have words like Ike Chukwu. This is somebody's name, and it can also be a statement. Ike Chukwu, which means God's power, or God's strength. Ike Chukwu, God's power or God's strength. We have words like Ikenna, which means father's strength. Ikenna is also somebody's name. It can also be a statement. Ikenna, father's strength or father's power. Then we also have words like Ike. Now, Ike, which means bottom. This can mean a human bottom. Now, it can also mean the bottom of a pot. The bottom of a pot. It could be a cooking pot. Inside the pot, you find the bottom. Ike ite. Ike ite. Bottom of the pot. Ike ite. Ike mmado. Ike mmado, which is human bottom. Ike efere, bottom plate. Then ike ite is a bottom pot. Now we'll come to the kepi. It's pronounced p. Remember, this is I, J, K, P. As you can have in words like apa, apa, which means bag, apa. Ipe, you can see the KP as the middle. Ipe, ipe, judgment, judgment. Ipe or ipe, it means judgment. Then we have words like okpokpo, that is bone, bone. Mpa, also mpa, which means need or necessity, necessity, necessity. That is mpa, mpa, necessity. I have a need. Enwere m mkpa. I have a need. Enwere m mkpa. Now we'll come to KW, which is po, po, kwe, kwe, kwe. So you say kwe, kwe, kwe. As in words like akwụkwọ, you can see it KW. Akwụkwọ, you can see it again here. That's why it is kwụkwọ. It is two in these words. Akwụkwọ, akwụkwọ. You can see it, akwụkwọ. So, which means book or leaf. That is the leaf of a tree. Leaf of a tree is akwụkwọ osisi. Leaf of a tree, akwụkwọ osisi. Then why book also refers to akwụkwọ in Igbo. Now we have words like nkwa, promise. Nkwa, promise. Ekwere gị nkwa. Ekwere gị nkwa. I promised you. I promised you. Ekwere gị nkwa. I promise you. Ekwere gị nkwa. I promise you. I promise you. Nkwụ, you can see KW at the middle of it. Nkwụ, which is palm tree. Palm tree. Then akwụ, akwụ, that is palm fruit. Palm fruit. Palm fruit. Akwụ. See what I mean? Palm fruit. Okwu. Okwu, you can still see the alphabet KW at the middle of this word. Okwu, speech. Speech. Okwu, speech. Then we have words like okwukwe. You can see KW. It is two in this word, and it's pronounced okwukwe, which means faith or belief. Belief. Faith or belief. That is okwukwe. Have faith in God. If you have to make a statement with it, a sentence with it, have faith in God. Nwee okwukwe na Chukwu. Nwee okwukwe na Chukwu. Okay, now we'll come to the letter L. L. It is also pronounced just like it is pronounced in English. L. 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 As in elekele, which means clock. Elekele, clock. Then we have Olu, when we label the human parts and discuss them, we saw Olu, which means neck. Olu mmadu, somebody's neck. Ala, ala, which means land. Ala, land. Ola, ola, ring, ring. Ola, ring. That is ring that you can wear in your finger. That is what we call ola. Ola. We also have things like olanti, olanti, ear ring. Remember when we were discussing the body parts, I talked about the ear, and the ear means nti. Ear is nti in Igbo language. So when you say olanti, it means ear ring. Then when you say ola edo, ola edo, it simply means gold in English. Ola edo is gold in English. Then ola ocha is silver, silver. Ola ocha, silver. We now talk about M. M. You don't say M in Igbo, but you say M, as in like you want to read the alphabet now. You say I, E, J, K, B, P, L, M, M. So it is M, as in words like mado or mado means the same thing. It's the same word they are talking about, and it means the same thing, which is human or human being. Human being. Then you notice that this particular human being, there is no S there. But when you want to put S now, how do you pronounce it in Igbo? When you say human beings, that means you have put in S. How you pronounce it in Igbo is nde mmadu, showing that it is more than one person. Nde mmadu. So it's pronounced human beings. Mehe, that is open, mehe, open. Then, because of different dialects, you can also hear mepe. It still means open.